Before we dive into fire prevention and response, it's important that we understand some fire basics. By knowing what causes fires and the various types of fire classifications, we'll be better equipped to handle a range of fire-related emergencies. First, let's discuss the fire triangle. A fire needs three things to ignite and sustain itself: fuel, heat, and oxygen. A fire can start and continue to burn so long as these three elements are present. Naturally, by removing any one of these elements, we can then extinguish a fire. But not all fires are the same, and the methods used to put out a fire will depend on its particular fire classification. Fires are grouped into 5 classifications, based on the type of fuel or heat source involved. Understanding these classifications will help you determine the most appropriate method for extinguishing them. Class A fires are the most common fire classification. These fires involve common combustible materials such as wood, paper, and cloth. Water or dry chemical fire extinguishers are best suited for Class A fires. It's important to note that only Class A fires should be put out with water, as water may pose additional risks if used to extinguish fires of any other classifications. Class B fires are fueled by flammable liquids and gases like propane, oil, or gasoline. Class B fires can spread quickly and easily and should not be extinguished with water. They are best extinguished by smothering with a dry chemical extinguisher or removing oxygen with a CO2 extinguisher. It's important to note that Class B fires are distinct from grease and cooking fires, which are categorized separately. Class C fires involve electrical equipment such as power systems, lighting, computers, and appliances. For Class C fires, it's important to use a fire extinguishing method that will not conduct electricity and create an electrocution risk. Therefore, water would be an inappropriate choice for these types of fires as well. Class C fires are best extinguished with dry chemical, CO2, or clean agent suppression. Class D fires involve combustible metals such as magnesium or potassium. These fires are relatively rare and require specialized extinguishing agents. You should not try to put out Class D fire unless specifically trained and authorized to do so. Lastly, Class K fires involve cooking oils and fats typically found in kitchens. Class K fires can also spread quickly and are easily made worse by adding water. As such, wet chemical extinguishers are most appropriate for these fires. If you do encounter a fire that you're authorized to extinguish, be sure to check the labeling on the available fire extinguishers to ensure that they're suitable for the type of fire you're dealing with. The labeling should clearly indicate the fire classifications that the extinguisher is designed to handle. In many workplaces, including those with hazardous materials, you'll find a multi-purpose ABC dry chemical fire extinguisher. These fire extinguishers are suitable for extinguishing any fire from the most common fire classes, A, B, and C.